Good morning, boys. Today we're going to be making an apple pudding, and it's actually quite a big one, so it'll feed a good family. So first thing, remember, let's sanitize the hands. In we go. The old homemade sanitizer does the trick, but so does soap and water. Top and bottom of the hands, between the fingers. Okay. So for this apple pudding, we need 2 large or 3 medium-sized apples. Any kind of apples will do. I've already done one, and I'm using the green variety like that just because I have them. Okay, so we're going to peel. And I have assembled, while I'm just peeling this, I have assembled my other ingredients ready, so that I hope I don't take as long as what I did on the Anzac biscuits. So I'm going to should be peeling these into the dish over there, which I have ready and haven't done. Okay, so just roughly peel them, doesn't matter if there's a little bit of peel left. Round. And when we've peeled them, we're going to slice them, and we're going to put them into a bowl, which I have not got ready, I've just realised, and I'm not going to start again. So let's just get that ready. Okay, get these in a dish. And my sheep, poor things, haven't got much to eat at the moment. Bit of a drought going on here in Pukeho. Okay, so we're going to slice the apple in half. Math lesson now. Quarter it again. Quarter the other half. So how many quarters have we got? Hopefully you'll get 4. So I'm just going to take the core out of each piece, like that. Take the core out of this piece, and this piece. And how many pieces have I got left if I had 4 quarters? That's right, 1. Okay, that's done. Now, we're just going to cut these acrossways. I'll change to my bigger knife. There it is. Okay, I'm being clever and doing 2 at a time. Do not slice your fingers. It can be quite rough with the chopping. It's not going to matter too much. It's just going inside a nice sort of spongy other part. Okay, now push that out of the road for a minute. In my microwave, which is right behind me, I've got some melted butter. And into that butter, melted. And the amount of butter is 125 grams, or a quarter of the whole pack of butter. Okay? Into that I'm going to break 1 egg. Going to give it a bit of a mix around. You can do it with a fork. My most used utensil in the kitchen is my whisk. I use it for everything. Chuck that in the sink. Now, this recipe actually calls for self-raising flour, but I do not have any, so I made my own. So it's just 2 cups of flour, because that's what we need to use, 2 cups of self-raising flour. And to make it into self-raising, I've just put 3 level spoons of baking powder in the mix. And I've already got it ready, so that I'm not going to take too long. And I'm just chucking that into that egg. And on top of that, I'm going to put in, remember the measuring cup from last week? 1 cup of sugar. Don't have to do too much. There, and I'm just going to give that a bit of a stir around. And I need to get my measuring cup back, because another ingredient I'm going to use is meraka. So I'm going to put in about 1 cup, not quite 1 cup, about that much, maybe a bit more, that much, into that mix. Going to give it a good stir up, put that on, and I like to stir all going around in the same direction. Right, at about this stage, I am now going to tip in. I haven't stirred it all up yet because I'm going to be doing more stirring. So I'm actually going to tip in the apple. The 3 apples, I had 3 small ones. Whoa, they weren't too small actually, so I hope I haven't got too many. Okay, I'm going to put that in there. See, this is pretty quick. And they like that. Give it a good stir up. You see what I'm doing? Hold it up a bit. Make sure all the flour is mixed into it. Pretty easy, eh? Just got to put it down a bit because it's a little bit heavy to keep holding. Okay, that looks like it's stirred up enough, haven't they? Then we're going to put it into an oven dish. A dish that'll go into the oven. Okay, and that's going to go in there, and I'm going to grease it. Well, actually, I've already greased that one, and just give another bit of a wipe out in there, and then that goes into the. Oops, that's gone on the floor. That's going to go into the oven. Okay, now I've been a bit clever today, and so I have actually swapped sides around. I have actually made one. Okay, whoops, I'll put it into your view so you can see it like that. So, where's my little thing to hang it up? So if I can hold it up to show you, it's a bit hot because I've only just got it out of the oven. Can you see that? Okay, now, I'm going to see if I can cut out a bit and just to show you what it's going to look like on the inside. I am hoping that it's going to look nice. So it looks like that. I'll bring that up close. See the steam coming out of it? Got a nice bit of apple in there too. And boy, oh boy, does it smell nice too. So let's just show you again what it looks like. It looks like this. Just put that piece back in it. Up close. Nice and golden. And how long did I cook that for? I cooked it for about 35 minutes in a medium oven. Okay, 35 minutes in a medium oven. What did it have in it? 2 apples or 3 medium ones, 2 large or 3 medium ones. 1/4 of a packet of butter, that's 125 grams of butter. And I got quite picky with measuring that good. Melted, got to melt that in your microwave. 1 cup of sugar and 2 cups of self-raising flour. Now, how do you make self-raising flour? You're going to have to go back to the beginning of this video to find out because I'm not going to tell you again. Mix that up a bit roughly into a bowl that the melted butter was in. So put the melted butter in a big bowl. Add to that 1 cup of milk, not quite a cup, okay, not quite a cup of milk. Add your apples to it, give it a good stir around, stick that mixture in a greased dish, flatten it out a little bit, and put it in an oven at about 180 degrees for about 35 minutes. Make sure you haven't got the oven on grill, you want it on bake or fan bake. Okay, that's Whaea Liz, over and out.